From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 45. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, ようだ and みたいだ。ようだ and みたいだ mean it seems, it looks like, I think, probably. We use them when we are not 100% sure, but we guess based on what we see or hear. So for example, it seems like it will rain is this. 雨が降るようです。So we are not 100% sure, but we guess based on what we see or hear. The difference between ようだ and みたいだ。ようだ is more formal, and it is common in writing and polite speech. On the other hand, みたいだ is more casual, and it's common in conversation. Both have almost the same meaning. The main difference is that ようだ is more formal, みたいだ is more casual. For example, 彼は日本人のようです。This means he seems to be Japanese. And another one, 彼は日本人みたいです。So both are the same meaning, but this one is more formal, this one is more casual. That's the difference. And also the grammar format is a little different. So here is the grammar pattern. When you use ようです or ようだ, this is the grammar format you have to follow. So you can use plain form verbs and I-adjectives, and then add ようです. However, when you useな-adjectives, you need to have thisな before ようです. And when you use nouns, you need to have thisの before ようです. When you use みたいだ, this is the grammar format. You can use plain form verbs and I-adjectives, and then add みたいだ or みたいです. When you use na-adjectives, unlike this ようです, you don't need to have な before みたい. Same goes for nouns. You don't need anything before みたい. So when you use みたいだ, it's more simple. I will show you two more examples. It looks like Yuki is tired. Yuki さんは疲れているようです。疲れている means being tired. It's an ongoing state, therefore this is ている. So use the plain form verb and then add ようです. Another one. It seems like the train is late. 電車が遅れているみたいです. So again, use the plain form verb and then add みたい. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. It seems like Tanaka-san is angry. 田中さんは怒っているようです。怒っている means to be angry. It's an ongoing state, therefore ている is used. So use this plain form and then add ようです。Second one. It looks like Mika is interested in studying abroad. ミカさんは留学に興味があるみたいです。興味がある means to be interested in something. So use this plain form and then add みたい. Last one. It seems like this machine is broken. この機械は壊れているようです。This is the plain form. ている is used because it's an ongoing state. Now I will read the sentences, so please repeat after me. 田中さんは怒っているようです。 ミカさんは留学に興味があるみたいです。この機械は壊れているようです。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。